Also new tonight, health leaders declare pertussis, also known as whooping cough, an outbreak in Lexington. 3 new cases were confirmed today, bringing Fayette County's total to 9 since late April. The latest cases were reported at Lafayette High School, St. Peter and Paul Catholic School, and a senior citizen in their 80s. The disease is spread through coughing and sneezing. It affects people of all ages, but can be most dangerous and serious in infants and those with chronic diseases. The health department says all Kentucky caregivers should be on the lookout for symptoms of whooping cough and make sure kids are up to date on their vaccinations and boosters.